Hi, this is the Amazing Sea Turtle. Today is the first day of June. Also, it is the first month for summer, so yes. So anyway, who now, the last day of school is very soon for students, but yes. Because this is going to be the greatest summer ever. So yeah. There might be some lots of attractions happening this summer, so you might have to plan your summer this June. So yeah. So, the attractions are Disneyland, Disney World, Grateful Lodge, Universal Studio Hollywood, or you name it. There might be lots of great attractions that you might love the most. But yeah, it's your summer vacation because summer belongs to you. So yeah, there might be some lots of great summer movies to watch. So yeah, some were real, some were cartoony, and some were CGI animated. So pick your movie wisely. So yeah. Because I am still waiting to go watch the new Marvel's movie, Guardians of the Galaxy. Man, that movie is so darn good and it's freaking bad, eh? But yeah. So, anyway, who now? Yeah. Well, summer is just lots of great things to do. Visiting your friends or even watch cartoons all summer long. But yeah. Or even play video games all summer, but yeah. But a lot of kids do that a lot, but yeah. So anyway, Huna, I think I got all the summer things for now. But yeah, so summer is your choice. It is the thing you have to do. So yeah. So anyway, Huna, I hope you can enjoy the rest of the week, and I hope you can plan your summer right. So I hope I'll see you next time then. Goodbye.